Hey guys, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in again. If you're new, subscribe and join the family. I hope you guys enjoy this video of me making lip gloss. If you're following along with me, you're going to need syringes and pipettes, spoons and a knife or scissors. Then you're also going to need an oil of your liking. And you're also going to need the lip gloss base, of course. And then you need something to mix everything in with. And then, of course, your lip gloss tubes of your liking. And I'm going to be using this soap dye, this mica powder that I got off of Amazon. And I'm going to be trying to accomplish a brown looking lip gloss. And the reason why I showed you guys the poly mailer is because that's where I'm going to be putting the lip gloss as I make them. And I've already sanitized the desk and I've already washed my hands, just to let you guys know. And if you want to be honest, I haven't made lip gloss in a hot minute, so this video is kind of like a trial and error type of thing. I've never made that color lip gloss before, and I'm trying a lot of different techniques that I am trying right now that I have never tried before. Because if you guys don't know, now you know, because I'm about to tell you. I used to make lip gloss about 1.5 years ago, but then I just stopped. But now I'm back and I'm better, and I've added more products to my brand, and I'm ready to start and never stop. But yeah, this definitely was hard in some ways. I definitely found some new ways to do things, some better ways to do things, and I'm learning. It's all a process as we grow. So just putting that in there. And right now I'm just showing you guys the consistency, and I'm going just to be adding my oil until I get the consistency that I like. I don't want it too sticky, neither do I want it too slippery, so I'm just trying to get that perfect mix. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but if you pay close attention, every time I show you the drip of the lip gloss, you can see like extra lip gloss base attached to the crevices of the spoon. And I kind of didn't like that. It was getting on my nerves, so that's why I brought a knife so that I could see which would be best for me to use for mixing. So in a little bit, a couple of seconds, well, right here, you can see me switching to the knife because all of that extra excess lip gloss was getting stuck to the spoon. So in the outcome, the knife ended up being way better. And I'm going to start off with my light brown soap dye, and then the other one I believe is, I don't know what that says, I can't even remember, but yeah, you'll see. I'll just let you guys watch and I'll shut up. And if you don't know, and I just found this out, like I said, this is a trial and error. These soap dyes and these micas are really pigmented. So honestly, you don't even need a lot. I was kind of like iffy and eerie about the fact that these packets were so tiny. But I came to find out that me using just a couple of sprinkles end up being like a lot in the end result. So I think that these pigments will last me a long time, even though they're small, for the simple fact of that they're super pigmented, and you don't need nothing but maybe one little sprinkle or two little sprinkles literally, and like the color starts changing. And I learned that just now, so I'm super excited, and I'm glad that I will be running out quick because I won't have to use a lot of it at a time. I'm trying my best not to come in so much, but whenever I remember to tell you guys something, I just kind of jump in and just tell you guys. So if you don't know, then I'm going to tell you now that it can get a little bit messy Lip gloss isn't the easiest to clean off either. It's super messy. So I would prefer wearing gloves. Next time I'll definitely buy some gloves. I was supposed to, but it ended up getting really dark and I didn't want to lose my daylight because I knew I had to film. So I didn't have enough time to go and run and get gloves, honestly, because everybody knows that once it hits fall and winter, it gets darker quicker. Yeah, definitely wear gloves if you can. This definitely could get messy and it's definitely hard to wash off your hands. And I'll be the one to let you know that. Now for my favorite part, we're gonna go ahead and start filling up this syringe, and I've already attached the pipette, and we're going to go ahead and start filling up the lip gloss. And right here, I'm just about to show you that I fill up the tubes now starting at 10 milliliters. At first, I filled it all the way up to the top, but I noticed that that wasn't working out for me. And the reason why I'm filling it up to 10 milliliters is because I have 10 milliliter lip gloss tubes. So yeah, I'm learning as I go, as you guys can see.